Today we're going to clean off some of this grime from our cobalt utility knife here. Keeping your utility knife looking great is simple, safe without harsh abrasives. We're going to start by dipping a soft bristled toothbrush into some warm soapy water, and we're going to gently scrub away the buildup that has accumulated on this over the years. Might take a little bit, maybe I didn't get the water quite warm enough, I'm not sure. But she's starting to come off here. You could also use wooden toothpicks to get in there. I don't think I have any of those laying around here. Using a soft toothbrush will allow you to get to the dirt without scratching the surface of the casing, which is going to be, well, I don't know. Maybe you don't care if your casing gets scratched. I mean, but if you spent money on the tool, you probably care at least a little bit. Cool. Well, we found a pencil, so let's go ahead and use the pencil. The pencil is soft wood and of course graphite lead piece there. So we can just kind of go along here and peel off as much of that as we can, and that seems like it's going to work pretty good.
That's how I do my stuff. It's time for man stuff.
Not a good idea to take metal here, but we are just going to go sliding up underneath that clip to push out that nice big chunk. Alright, so we're going to have to open the knife up, which means we should probably put our glove on to remove that blade, so that way we get at least the moisture away from the blade itself. I'm going to pull down on those, get that out of there. Set that up there off to the side for a minute and inspect this and make sure she looks mostly dry. And we got a little bit of residue here on the inside. Of course, we could take the screwdriver right in there because that pencil is not going to fit. But we're just going to slightly, we're not going to push into the metal. We're just kind of pushing against the piece that we're trying to take off, not against the metal. The only thing left really to do is dry her off as good as we can. Nice. What do you think? You guys think that turned out okay as far as cleaning that up? Does that look like a better knife now? Let me know in the comments if that looks like a better knife. If you found this useful at all, be sure to like the video. That way others, you can help others find this video by giving it that like as a positive, kind of a positive feedback. If you want to see more stuff like this, then that's when you can subscribe. If you don't want to see more like this, that's fine, but you found it useful, I mean, please, by all means, click that like, that we can help others find it. We'll put a link for this down in the shopping tab, and I hope I help somebody out. That's the whole idea of this, is just to help people out. So thanks for watching.